Hello everyone, this is Amitej Pangtey, All India rank 212 in the Civil Services Examination 2023. This was my fourth attempt. Sunya IAS has really contributed significantly to my success. In my third and fourth attempt, I relied quite heavily on the value-added material that Sunya IAS provided, associated with the Supreme Court judgments which we use in GS2, as well as the uh, data points which are necessary in GS3. So that added quite a lot of quality and depth into my mains answers. And I also, especially in this attempt, the fourth attempt, I utilized the previous year questions that had the solutions of which have been provided by Sunya IAS. So I think because we all know that the PYQs, they act as guidelines in our entire preparation journey. So the fact that they were providing such good quality solutions in quite a lot of questions in their PYQ book, so that added a lot of content as well as showed me how to frame the answers of the previous year questions. So that contributed quite significantly in this attempt, and I want to congratulate the Shunya IAS team on their success, and I hope that they continue to provide good quality to the future aspirants, and I wish all the luck to the future aspirants. Thank you.